National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over portions of northeast Illinois, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Belmont Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Waukegan Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. This is No Weather Radio. QZ 81 Rockport.
Yeah, this one's really static, yeah?